Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD80. In this video I'll show you what is the energy consumption of the dryer. Firstly, let's tap and hold dry level. As you can see, we've got 3 modes for the drying level: third, 2, second and first mode. Each mode has different power consumption. H3 has a consumption of 2.33 kWh. H2 mode has a power consumption of 1.98 kWh, and ready to iron, which is H1, has a power consumption of 1.62 kWh. H3 is cupboard, H2 is ready to wear, and H1 is ready to iron. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.